This is the final makeup look, but then let's get right into the eyebrow tutorial. So I'm starting with unruly brows as always. This is the Sculpting Eyebrow Pencil by Flawless Ivy Cosmetics, and I'm using the spoolie brush on one end of the pencil to just brush my brow hair in an upward-like manner and just lay the hair nicely. And then going in with the pencil itself, I'm starting with the line underneath and then connecting the upper part of the brows at the tail. For the tail, remember that we use darker, stronger strokes, and then as you approach the beginning of your brow, you want to lighten your hand and do lighter strokes, so that you can have that gradient effect on your eyebrows and have a very natural look. Then I'm going back with a spoolie brush to just brush through the brows and arrange the hair nicely. Then next up, I'm going in with the brow shaping gel by Flawless Ivy Cosmetics. It comes in this very light brown shade, and I'm just brushing that all over the brow in the manner in which I would like the hairs to be laid. If you watch my previous eyebrow tutorial, this brow shaping gel is replacing the edge control eco styler gel that I used in my previous video. So if you're not comfortable using the eco styler gel, you can get a brow shaping gel like this one by Flawless Ivy, and that would also do the same work. Next up, I'm using the Camouflage Concealer to conceal my brows, the underneath of my brows. So I use my angled brush, as you can see, to blend in the concealer. Now my angled brush is a very tiny size, so it takes longer time to conceal using this brush. And then after trying to conceal for a while, I also go in with my fingers and just dab in the excess concealer so that everything is blended in nicely. Your fingers can do the magic as well, okay? Next up, I'm using my Flawless Ivy foundation in the shade Nutmeg, and I'm using that to conceal the upper part of my brows so that I do not have any harsh concealer lines, because this is my shade, and as you can see, it blends beautifully in. It's almost like there's nothing on top there. So I usually advise that you use your foundation to conceal the upper part of your brows rather than using the lighter shade of the concealer, so that your makeup blends nicely and you don't have that sharp concealer line on top of your brows. This is the end of this tutorial. Make sure to hit the thumbs up, drop a comment, and subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this video, and follow me on Instagram at Muchinto for more makeup tutorials.